To access Stake.com in India, follow these steps. First, understand that Stake.com is a cryptocurrency-based online casino and sportsbook. And due to regulatory restrictions, it may be blocked by some internet service providers in India. To bypass these restrictions, you will need to use a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN allows you to create a secure and encrypted connection to a server in a different location, making it appear as though you are accessing the internet from that location. Choose a reputable VPN provider that has servers in locations where Stake.com is not restricted, such as the United States or the United Kingdom. Download and install the VPN software on your device. Then launch the application and select a server location where Stake.com is accessible. Once you are connected to the VPN, open a web browser and navigate to Stake.com. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button and provide the required information, including your email address, username, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Stake.com. This is an important step to ensure the security of your account. To deposit funds into your Stake.com account, you will need to use a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you do not already have a cryptocurrency wallet, you will need to create one and purchase some cryptocurrency before you can deposit funds into your Stake.com account. Finally, to ensure that you are able to continue accessing Stake.com in India, make sure to always use a VPN when logging into your account. This will help to protect your privacy and security, and ensure that you are able to access the site without any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to access Stake.com in India and start using the site to place bets and play games. Remember to always use a reputable VPN provider and to follow all applicable laws and regulations when using the site.